Welcome everyone. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. I am your host Miriam, aka The Broken Poetess. This is Everyday Heroes of Tshabalala interview episodes where we tell you about inspirational youth in our community doing different things that create employment for the youth and also help fight against drug and substance abuse. So today we have someone inspirational. Kahle, and I don't know what we can say, someone who we look up to. Mina kahle, his journey has inspired me, so I know for sure what this journey is going to inspire you too. So let's tune in and listen to what he has to say for us. We have a few questions for him, so let him introduce himself. His name is Allen, so he will continue.
Okay, thank you. My name is Allen Mawewe. I'm the director of Simuye Arts and award-winning male dancer on 2025, BAA award-winning dancer 2025. And I'm a father also. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So the first question that we have for you, Allen, is Simuye means we are one, right? What moment made you decide I'm not just going to dance, I'm going to build something for other youth in Tshabalala? What was the spark behind it?
Actually, okwayenza isimuye sayaqala ukontinue because yayikhona already.
Okay.
Okwayenza sayicontinue isimuye. One, I can't dance alone. I can't do art, the type of art that I do alone, and so there is need yokuthi ngibe labanye abantu, and then we push the journey sonke. Two, the idea was to create employment for ama youth in Tshabalala. That was the whole idea, to create employment for ama youth and to take them away from drugs, because I know the consequences of drugs and substance abuse.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That is so powerful. That is a powerful speech. So number two, we have another question. Starting anything in the community is hard. Sonke siyakwazi kunzima uqala something ku community. What was the biggest challenge you faced trying to keep Simuye together? Be it money, be it space, be it the members losing motivation. Can you just tell us a bit about it?
The problems, maningi kakhulu. Maning, trust me.
Okay.
One of the problems, type of art that we do abantu abaningi basenza amalema. Ungaqala ukuthi uyagida namhla sulilema.
Yeah.
So abanye abazali abaku-understand, yabona.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a well-educated someone, trust me, but I chose this because I love it, yabona.
Okay.
But abanye abazali, they take this as awubulema ubuzanka because of what others back then did. Kulabanye babesenza ukuthi amangena stage nameze ngene njani mbanjiwe ndayiwe manzenza, so after uperform ameze ngikhambe sengile mbinga sentandana lozibani. There are people, trust me, ababekwenza kuno. But now we are trying to change that picture, yabona. But now kulabanye abazali abangakuzisiyo. Two, there is a lot besides ukida.
Okay.
We have to register. We have to be known. We have to do ezinye izinto zokuthi areso umuntu engatshelela lapha echayele phansi ngekhanda siyayenzana. Yabona. So kuyabe kufunakala izimali. It's not everyone kathesi othola isponsor, othola umuntu ongamncedisa. No. So thina imali siyazenzela, siyaqida sithola imali siyenze konke ekumele siwenze. Yabona. So akula umuntu osponsor akulani, and we are not going to stop because we don't have a sponsor, we don't have one. Thanks to Indlovu Club for at least giving us a space ukuthi sinyani sisebenzele.
Yeah. All right, so just one last question. And today, a young person in Tshabalala might feel like they have no options. Can you share one story of a dancer who came to Simuye feeling discouraged, and how did you change how did you as the director, and how did you change their life and they felt like they belong?
Okay. This teenage art it doesn't require a lot. Because there are people even who come here bengela le talent lokid. Bengela le talent loku actor, bengela le talent but sesiqala kunjani? Sesibaqala phansi, and then beqala phansi besenza njalo kule into esingamdingela ukuthi antu wena ka race thina owethu DJ is very easy. Kuyaplay, kuyaphoza lokhu bakwazi ukuthi ingoma inje. Akarace wena usafunda ukugida ubusenza lokho, you understand? Asifuni ma qualifications la wathi wena vele mawungela methi la ungabuyi. mawungelani no lapha we take everyone abasuke ejele abayenzani so kulabanye abantu kuthiwa wena asokwabotshwa you can't work here or thina we take those people and for example lapha we don't just dance I always encourage people here ukuthi there is a certain age esiyama khona unjani ukugida so you guys should start investing imali zenyu nezincane entweni zenyu for instance there is someone who was here kasekwathesi se run a very big company edeco waqala ukuthi engasela sasingahole ethenga ispoon sihole ethenge umganu now sele big deco sephila decoration company yakhe singakwazi ukubamba 2 or 3 weddings a day yabona so it's something that I'm even proud of yeah.
All right. Wow. It was a so amazing engaging with you. We thank you so much for pitching in today and for agreeing for this interview because it takes a lot to tell us about what's happening in your industry as an artist and stuff. So Siyabonga, thank you so much. This is Everyday Heroes of Chabalala. Tune in for the next episode.